To scale Azure SQL Query Performance Insight, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. First, begin by navigating to the Azure portal and selecting the Azure SQL database you want to optimize. Next, click on Query Performance Insight, which provides a comprehensive view of your database's performance, including the top resource-consuming queries. This feature helps identify performance bottlenecks and opportunities for optimization. To scale query performance, start by analyzing the top queries by CPU, data I/O, and log I/O. Look for queries with high average duration, high CPU usage, or high data I/O, as these are likely candidates for optimization. Use the query text and plans to identify potential issues, such as missing indexes, inefficient join orders, or suboptimal query plans. Apply best practices like indexing, caching, and partitioning to improve query performance. Another crucial step is to utilize Azure SQL's built-in tools, such as the Query Store, which tracks query performance over time, and automatic tuning, which recommends and applies optimizations automatically. Additionally, consider scaling up your Azure SQL instance to a more powerful tier, or scaling out by sharding your database or using read-only replicas to offload read traffic. Implementing a maintenance schedule to regularly update statistics, rebuild indexes, and check for query plan regressions is also vital. This ensures your database remains optimized and performant over time. By following these steps and applying these best practices, you can effectively scale Azure SQL Query Performance Insight, improve your database's efficiency, and enhance overall application performance. Regular monitoring and optimization are key to maintaining a high-performing database.